Do you want to create a beautiful home you love within your means?
Join the Tazori Home membership.
Do you want to be a part of a community of like-minded people who love design, who love home, who are ready to challenge you and support you on your home journey?
Join the Tazori Home membership.
Do you want to see extended home tours from our Design Within Reach series? Access design courses built to help you refine your eye for design and give you the tools you need to find those pieces you want? Do you want to join live calls with us and other industry experts to help you on your journey? If so,
join the Tazori Home membership.
all right, you guys, in all seriousness, Andrew and I have created a membership designed specifically for those of you who are looking to get started on your home journey, continue your home journey, create a beautiful home you love within your means. We really wanted to create something that was more hands-on. There's only so far we can go through YouTube, through Instagram, which we love, but we want to go deeper with you guys. We want to bring you closer to the people and the homes that you love, and we want to help you on your journeys. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, make sure to head to the link below, join our membership today as a founding member. You'll get our membership for the lowest price it will ever be. One more fun tidbit, members get free shipping on all orders over $50. So if you join as a founding member, that pretty much pays itself off in 1 to 2 orders.
Call now and we'll even throw in an inflatable life preserver.
You have until April 15th to join, ending at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. This is an exclusive deal for our YouTube friends here, so make sure to join. We'd love to see you on the inside, get to know you better, and create that home we love within our means
And
together.
honestly, join quick because I think the first 5 or so people that join from YouTube are gonna get a special gift sent to their home.
Surprise!
So,
Join today.